Hi guys, Python GUI here again, and today I will show to you a little application that I built. This application in Python is to extract data from SolidWorks, and to do this, I built a little crankshaft of a car and put some animation with the package of SolidWorks. And our main goal is to extract acceleration and linear velocity of this system. So I will start the animation. I will try and go. We can see the piston go up and down. It's very simple. I don't care about the details. I just I just built this report in SolidWorks and build animation. So, so it's very simple and it's here. I already make the plot. Uh, I will show it. Yes, here. This is our linear velocity of our system, and we also have the acceleration. We we have these two data. We can export the linear velocity and also export our acceleration. As I said, I already do that to, to, to gain time, and we can start our application. We can load our data, acceleration, and we can plot. Um, and this is just to demonstrate the power of Python. And I just put two functions, one in x-axis, just a simple offset. We can offset our data here, our original data, and our offset data in blue. We can also do this with y-axis. We can clear and load the other data, the linear velocity, and do the same. So this is guys what I built. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel to help. Hit the like button to help too. It will help the channel. And I will put a new video this week, I hope. So guys, thank you for watching again and until the next.